Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful wall molding designs, even their latest price for making these designs and which are the best materials. So friends, wall molding has become nowadays a popular choice for elegant and timeless interior design elements. So if you want your home walls to look royal, premium and a designer made, wall molding is one of the best options. It instantly upgrades the plain walls and add a luxury looks to your walls and your look feels a beautiful interior designs. A wall molding is a decorative wall treatment where frames, panels, lines or patterns are created on walls using materials like MDF, HDHMR, POP. So you can select as per your requirement. These designs can be even rectangular, square, even in a luxury designs, geometric patterns. So this is commonly used in living rooms, bedrooms, dining, in a staircase, and even the luxury offices. Plain walls look simple, but wall molding add a depth, textures, and a character to your walls. So friends, once wall molding is installed, wall no look flat, light and shadow create a rich visual effect, so the space looks professionally designed. The house feels more structural and elegant, so even a small room starts looking well planned and a premium with the right wall molding designs. So wall molding is widely used for luxury villas, high-end apartments, classic homes. That's why when we install it in a normal Indian homes, it instantly gives a luxury and a premium touch. So friends, with the right color combinations like white on pastel shades, off-white with beige or grey, your interior starts looking like a royal, expensive and elegant without a heavy furniture or decor. It also enhances the overall interior look. So wall molding acts like wall jewelry. It enhances the beauty of your home without overcrowding the space. So which makes the walls look structural. It brings symmetry and balance, making rooms look well designed and organized. It also works with all interior styles, whether your home style is modern, classic, contemporary. Wall molding can be customized accordingly. So highlight furnitures and decor like sofas, beds and wall lights, paintings and mirrors looks more attractive when placed against the molded walls. And one of the biggest advantages of wall molding, it increases the property value. Homes with the premium wall treatments always have the higher resale value and a rental value. It also plays an important role in visual storytelling of your home, so it reflects your taste, your lifestyle, and your attention to detail. Interior designers use molding to break monotony of plain walls, create the focal walls, and add the personality to space. Also, it is a smart way to make interior stand out without expensive renovations. So, wall molding works best in the living room, TV unit wall, bedroom headboard wall, even the background walls, and dining area walls. Even one ancient molding wall can transform the entire room. So friends, now let's talk about the price. So there are the multiple materials are available for wall molding. So let's understand each one briefly. Like MDF, which we call the medium density fiberboard, which is gives a smooth finish, easy to paint. The price starts from 35 rupees to 40 rupees per running feet. And another one is HDHMR board, stronger than MDF, more moisture resistance, long lasting. The price will cost you around 50 rupees per running feet. Best overall option for wall molding is the STHMR and IMDF. Another option is a wooden putty, which gives a natural look, good strength, slightly uneven finish sometimes. So the price starts from 20 to 25 rupees per running feet. Second best option mainly for traditional or the basic designs. Another one is a POP, which is economical, can be molded on site, less durable but compared to boards. So the third best option suitable for low budget projects. So friends, my best material recommendation is HDHMR and MDF. Second best is wooden putty, and the third best is a POP. Very important point to remember, like before fixing wall moldings, wall putty must be done. So whether the wall is already painted or not painted, putty work is compulsory for proper finishing and long life of wall moldings. Always try to avoid the visible joints in wall moldings. Joints spoil the final look and reduce the premium feel. So professional measurement and cutting are important here. And for installation process, apply the Fevicol adhesive on the back side of the moldings. Fix the molding on the wall using the screws. So after fixing, apply a wall putty on the molding to cover the screw heads and gaps. Once putty is dry, do sanding for smooth finishing. Finally, select your desired paint color and paint the wall molding. After painting, wall molding looks seamless and elegant. So there are some extra material cost for Fevicol, screws, and labor charges will cost you around 2000 rupees. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So wall molding is a great way to upgrade your home interiors without major renovations. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again.